Sejak 1 bulan terakhir, kelangkaan dan kenaikan harga minyak tanah terjadi di wilayah Kota Tual dan Kabupaten Maluku Tenggara.
Pemirsa, kelangkaan BBM jenis premium dan solar juga mulai terjadi di Bali.
Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Namo Buddhaya. Good morning for the all of honorable judges. We are from Semanara team with me Putu Atayasa
and me Nabila Octavia. On 2013, Professor Dr. Emil Salim has said that the availability of fossil energy will only last for the next 37 years. This may happen because of the excessive use of fossil energy by technology developments. Especially in Indonesia, the government should import crude oil up to 35% to fulfill the needs in society. As we can see, the data use of ethanol around the world reached up to 68% per year. And do we stay silent as the next generation? Of course not. So that we will present the results of our research with the title, The Utilizations of Maja Fruits and Kepok Banana Peels with its effectiveness as a renewable energy of natural and environmentally friendly bioethanol. Along the development of technology, the needs for fossil energy, especially petroleum, continue to increase sharply every year. And in the last 10 years, oil production has decreased sharply. Besides of that, the use of fossil energy also has bad impact on the environment. High carbon gas, decreased oxygen levels, greenhouse effects, and endanger human health. Through the Government Regulation Number 79 of 2014, the government prioritized the use of renewable energy to replace fossil energy. Indonesia is known as a mega biodiversity country which is rich in natural resources. It can be used to resolve these problems. One of Indonesia's biological wealth is namely Maja fruits and Kepok banana. Maja fruit is a tropical plant that can bear 200 until 400 fruits per year, and still not widely used by the community than Kepok bananas. According to the Indonesian Statistics Center, the production of Kepok banana reached 7.26 million tons in 2018. And the availability of these two materials is not impeded by harvest time. With the knowledge from the Pertamina Foundation, we try to use these two ingredients to become bioethanol renewable energy, which is natural and environmentally friendly. And then, the methodology of the research is the research question. Why can Maja fruits and Kepok banana peels be used as a renewable energy bioethanol as an alternative energy to substitute for fossil energy? How is the effectiveness of this bioethanol renewable energy as fuel in meeting energy needs in society? And the objective of our research is to know the effectiveness of the waste from Kepok banana peels and Maja fruits that is processed into biofuel to resolve fossil energy problems which are starting to run out. The research conducted in the laboratory of Denpasar 5 Senior High School for 4 months. The type of research is quantitative research with the use of primary and secondary data. The data collection techniques are observation, literature, interview, and experiment, and the data served techniques are the data reduction, data induction, and data verifications.
Result and analysis. The ingredients then will be fermented and processed by using EVADEC tool. In this section is evaporation and distillation occur. Then the water and gas will be cooling down and create an environmentally friendly renewable energy called bioethanol. Honorable judges, the result can be seen on this table. Table 1. The result of bioethanol of Maja fruits. Maja fruit waste with a 14 bricks of glucose produce an 81% of alcohol content. Kepok banana peel waste with a 12 bricks produce 79% of alcohol content. When the both materials are mixed, the result can be seen on this table. It will produce glucose content amount to 16 breathe and produce higher alcohol content, which content as high as 83%. For the effectiveness test of bioethanol as a renewable energy, we heat up a liter of water until the temperature was 100 degrees Celsius, and the result is bioethanol from Maja fruit needs 23 minutes, bioethanol from Kepok banana peel needs 26 minutes, and the mixture of both material only needs 20.5 minutes, and the petroleum needs 22 minutes. From this research, we can conclude that the mixture of Maja fruit waste and Kepok banana peel waste could be developed to bioethanol, which could produce alcohol content up to 83%. Bioethanol from the mixture of both material is very effective to use in today's society. And next, the future work of our research. Indonesia has a variety of biodiversity and natural resources that have been called mega biodiversity country. As a follow-up to this research, we as a researchers will try to further explore this biodiversity to redevelop this research to obtain a higher alcohol content so that it can replace the fossil energy for vehicles and make Indonesia an energy independent country. As a follow-up to this society, when this research has been developed, it will be continued with a socialization to the society so that people are more familiar with the renewable energy that implement care for the environment.
For complete our research, please watch our video.
The first step is weigh Maja fruits and Kepok banana peels and blend each banana peels and Maja fruits waste and filter each of both material, then do the glucose concentrate tested. The second step is fermentation process. Put the NPK, bread yeast, and urea according the measure. Then put in the fermentation tube and wait until the fermentation step complete. After that, put the fermentation results in the evaporation tube and then heat the evaporator until 78 degrees Celsius and keep the temperature in 78 degrees until the material in evaporation tube run out. Continue with alcohol tested and effectiveness test.